Hi, Martin's here. In this video, we'll show you how you select templates in IDpack in the cloud. So to select your templates, you must go to the designer. From there, either you create a new design or you select an actual design. So in this case, let's add a new project. Type in a short name. So 21. Select your printer model, always. Pronto. And when we're ready to select the template, click Choose Template. So here we have our list of templates. On your left, if you need templates with barcode, you can check barcodes and it will refresh the list of all the templates that has a barcode on it. If you want a portrait or landscape, you can select landscape. And then again, it will change the view. And do you need a design with slot punch? Why not? So there you go. We have examples of 4 templates that should work fine with all this criteria. You can always unselect it. One other option is to search by ID numbers. So let's say you contact us by support and we'll refer you to a template ID number. So just type in here 448, hit enter, and the template that we have recommended to you or a template that you're using on another design and you just don't want to search it in the list. So you can just type the number, have your template, click on it. So you save your project. And there you go. You're ready to start designing the different options to create great cards. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.